So hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the very important topic. Indeed, it's a very important question which is frequently asked in your examination. Okay, and this is very important question for you. So your question is, what type of transport is used in this area, or what type of transport is used in the given topo sheet? So students, here you have to find out the transport system, okay, or mode of transport used in this area. So for that students, you must know about the road and the tracks. So you must know, or you must have idea about the what kind of road is there in the map. Okay, so especially students, you will have three types of roads on the topo sheet. Okay, on the topo sheet, first one is metal road, and second is cart track, and third one is pack track. Okay, so students, let me tell you first about the metal road. So students, metal road are shown on the map by red lines. Okay, red lines. There will be two red lines parallel to each other. Okay, in this way. So in this way they will be parallel. Okay, parallel, and sometimes you can see these two lines are joined, or you can see a bold line like this. Okay, so this is metal road. In English it is metal road, and in Hindi it is called pakka road, right? Pakka road. So students, here you can see this line. Okay, this line is metal road, pakka road. Okay, so if you see pakka road on the topographical map, so students, if you see metal road on the topographical map, then it indicates that this area will use mode of transport like bus, car, motorcycle, it means bike, scooter, all these things. Okay, so students, if you see metal road on the topographical map, then you can write the answer that types of transport used in this area are bus, or you can write buses, cars, motorcycles, it means bikes, scooter, etc. Okay, now beside these students, here you can see here a red line, very thin red line, right here, and here also you can see a very thin red line. Okay, so these red lines are known as cart track. What? Cart track. Okay, so cart track, what is the meaning of cart track? Cart track means the road, or you can say kacha road, which is used or for movement of the bullock carts. Okay, so when you see this track, it means cart track. Here you can see students, this is cart track. Okay, here you can see this line is cart track. So when you see this type of lines, then there students, you can say that in this area bullock cart are used. Okay, bullock cart are used, or bullock cart is used. Okay, now beside this students, you can see on the topographical map red broken lines like this. Okay, red broken lines, and these red broken lines are called pack track. What? Pack track. It means in Hindi we say pagdandi. What? Pagdandi. It means the way through which people walk by their foot. Okay, so students, here you can see in this region, okay, you have red broken lines. So this is pack track. This is called pack track, and here people move by their foot only, by walking. Okay, so students, when you see this type of broken lines or the pack track, then you can see people use their foot to move from one place to another, or they travel by walking. Okay, so by this way students, you can find out the mode of transport used on the area given on the topographical map. So students, if you see the metal road on the topographical map like this, okay, then you can write your answer that buses, cars, motorcycles, scooters are used on this area, in this area. And if you see the red lines, thin red lines, then you can write that in this area bullock carts or horse cart are used. And if you see the broken red lines, that is pack track, then you can write your answer that these people use their foot to move from one place to another, or they move by walking. Okay, so in this way you can recognize the mode of transport or the types of transport used in the area in the topographical map.